This is the EKO Deluxe Mirage sensor bin, where cutting-edge technology meets timeless design. Remove the inner liner with ease. It's made for effortless setup. A perfect match with EKO Code F bag, no more struggling to get it to fit. The built-in bag fixer holds larger trash bag in place, no slipping, no mess. Twist open the battery cover, insert 4 new AA batteries, making sure to match the plus and minus signs. Then twist the cover back on to lock it, quick and easy. Put the lid back onto the top, switch it on, and you're ready to go. When you need it, just approach. The lid opens smoothly and quietly, then closes on its own after 5 seconds. It's built for seamless, hands-free convenience. Need stay open mode? Press the button and it stays open for longer tasks. Providing 20 minutes of uninterrupted access. Simply tap close to close the lid. The fingerprint-resistant finish stays clean. Just wipe with a microfiber cloth, quick and easy. This is the EKO Deluxe Mirage sensor bin. Intelligent sensing, effortless cleanliness.